Ayan. So ako po ang inyong presenter ngayon. I am Maria Jeanette Jet Sajonas. Ayan. So mga talaga nakakakilala po sa akin, alam nila na ang nickname ko po is Jet, no? Ayan. So I was a former anchor and promotions po, a local TV host sa Sky TV, Baguio City. Ayan. So Sky TV 65, no? Way back when. And I also work sa corporate world sa isang telecommunication company sa Baguio City. I'm pretty sure yung mga taga Baguio dito alam nila ang PhilTel. And then it was took over by PLDT, no? Kay Manny Pangilinan. So I was a telephone operator, at the same time a customer service. At the same time nasa billing section po tayo. So I also manage some hotels and apertels dyan sa Baguio City, dyan sa Brentwood Village. And I am a feng shui consultant. So I do feng shui, the art of arrangement. And then this is not the first time na andito po ako sa ganitong industriya. And I really love the industry of the multi-level marketing. It was just that dumating yung point na I got, I don't say that I'm burnt out, pero dumating dun sa point na hindi na ako nagre-resonate dun sa idea because yung demand is like, it's not anymore, kumbaga nagre-resonate din sa need ng isang single mom, kagaya ko. So I'm a single mom for 20 years. Yung mga bata, malalaki na, so hindi na sila kids, no? Yan, so it was so hard, it was so difficult to be a single mom, having 4 kids to feed, no? And unfortunately, yung isa, she passed away at the age of 10. And that was the lowest point of my life. Actually, it was the turning point of my life na nag-decide ako to be here working in Canada. So it was a tough decision kasi you have to choose between, living your family and seeking greener pasture. But then, pare-pareho kaming mag-sacrifice, nag-meeting-meeting kami. And yun, choose kung ano talaga yung makakabuti sa family. And thanks God, at hindi niya ako pinabayaan after, to cut the story short, no? So, andito na po yung mga bata except for the eldest. So, currently, I am here in the recreation and recreation committee and working in a long-term care as a healthcare, and I get to deal with seniors. So I entertain seniors po, and I am enjoying it. So I would like to represent myself as an entrepreneur with an active job po. Self-employed na po ako, and yeah, I am tasked here to be one of the speakers. Kaya tayo po magli-level up din. Since we have this task, I had to upgrade as well on personal development. So I am also a mentee of MJ Lopez. And today, I will be talking about an opportunity na na-meet ko siya. Well, and the reason why I joined this company is because of 3 things. I really prioritize my health dahil nga po sa traumatic experience ko with, having a daughter who passed away. So medyo naging negative na rin po tayo sa pharmaceuticals. It's just me, this is just my personal, it's so personal to me. So I really seek on organics and natural. So yon, priority health. And the second one is, syempre, we're already on our papalapit na tayo doon, nearing our retirement. So I am 54, and I think it is about time that I have to think of my retirement as well and building a legacy for the family. And alam niyo na, pag nanay, talagang iisipin mo, ano ang pwede mong iwan sa family. And I thought that this company would create a legacy for my family. So those are the 3 reasons why I am here with Live Good. And I just want to share with you this opportunity at bakit, ano yung malalim na dahilan ko, bakit ito ang pinili ko na opportunity, no? And at the same time, bakit ito ang pinili ko na company? Marami namang mga company dyan na who promote health products. So we will be talking about that as we go as we go on sa discussion natin. So that's so much more about me. This is about you and the opportunity and the company that I will be talking about today. So I would like to welcome you to the company Live Good, the membership that pays. So kung nakita niyo po yung video na pinakita po natin kanina, Pat was talking about the subscription economy. And basically, the subscription economy is the subscription model na kung saan ito yung namamayagpag, nagta-thrive na business ngayon in the marketplace, right? Yan. Okay. So, bakit ito yung namamayagpag sa marketplace? Well, it is all because sa nangyayari sa economy. And yung demand ng marketplace, people are moving away from expensive things and they are moving towards affordability and value. So, kung makikita natin, no, yung binanggit kanina sa video, just to give you a recap, no, sinabi ni Pedro na average ng isang tao or average na subscription ng bawat tao, at least meron siyang 10 subscriptions. So, ibig sabihin, most of the things that we have here, no, are already in subscription, from binanggit niya kanina, music, to education, no? Si Udemy, mga courses yon. And of course, sa car wash, alam nyo ba na naka-membership na din yan? Yung ating music, Spotify. And the subscription that we have pa, Netflix, which we will be deep diving in later. Netflix and all other companies na nasa subscription model. And ang sabi niya, bakit gusto ng mga business owners at the same time ang consumers ang subscription? It is because nagkakaroon ng retention, nagkakaroon ng scalability, nagkakaroon ng flexibility. So ibig sabihin, it is a win-win for the company or the business owners, at the same time doon sa consumer. And besides, very flexible siya kasi pwede nilang, kumbaga, madali nilang laruin at madaling mag-adjust when it comes to prices and the products. So ngayon, the reason why Live Good has been tagged as the membership that pays, it is because yun ang model din natin, no? So nakita ni Live Good na dapat, sabi ng owner, ang concept din natin is naka-align doon sa demand ng marketplace. And we have to take note na, alam niyo po, kung gusto niyo mamayagpag talaga ang business, no? It is very important that you have to know kung ano talaga ang kailangan ng marketplace or the consumer. Okay, and that is exactly where Live Good is. Kaya tinawag natin siya, Live Good, the membership that pays, no? Ngayon, makikita natin kung bakit ganyan ang ating tagline, no? Yan. Okay, so just to mention a few of the popular membership in the marketplace today na I'm pretty sure familiar na po kayo, no? In fact, yung company natin tinawag na Great Disruption. It is built in a disruptive model sa industriyang multi-level marketing. So dito sa mga andito ng mga network marketers, teka lang, kung kayo ay medyo burnout o kaya meron kayong not so good experience sa sa past network marketing company nyo, wag muna kayong aalis because you will be seeing this industry in a different light, in a different phase, and in a different model. So gone were the days na that the traditional way of doing it, gone were the days kung saan ang tawag na natin it is a demonic model. That's how Nodder calls it, no? So tapos na po yun na kung ano man yung alam yung concept ng network marketing, well, iwanan nyo po muna yon and just be an empty cup and just listen to me because just like I said, you will be seeing this industry in a different light. And Live Good has a new way of introducing it. So going back, itong mga memberships na to, para mas makarelate kayo dun sa sinabi ni Pat doon sa video, no? So umpisahan natin kay Amazon. Si Amazon, binanggit niya na way back when, hindi pa siya membership, no? And naging membership or subscription model lang siya early 2005, no? So, si Amazon, si Netflix, Sam's Club, Costco, and Disney, ano ang common sa kanila? They are all subscription models, no? Wherein we get to pay a monthly or yearly, and what do we get in exchange with? In exchange of products and services. And kung makikita nyo po dito, yung figures nila, like Amazon, you pay monthly, 14.99, 139 per year, and ilan ang members niya? 200 million members. Netflix, ano sa Netflix, it disrupted the cinema, no? So itong mga to, matatawag din natin na disruptor because they disrupted the traditional way or the conventional way na of doing it. Like si Netflix, anong disrupt niya? Cinema, no? So ngayon, meron tayo no, namayagpag si Netflix during the time of pandemic, nung lockdown, kasi hindi tayo makalabas, no? So, nag-boom si Netflix because you could just stay at home, and then ang offer niya is you could just watch a wide variety of movies at the cost of magkano? 9.99 lang, no? So, the convenience na hindi ka nalalabas ng bahay mo. Even after pandemic, people or the marketplace also preferred na ang Netflix. Bakit? More convenience, walang traffic. Tapos, syempre, pag nasa sinihan ka, kakain ka, mahal ang popcorn. Now, with Netflix subscription, you will stay at home, you will be at the comfort of your home, nai-enjoy nyo ang time together ng inyong family, wala pang traffic, hindi mo problema ang pagpaparkingan. And, ang good news is that, hindi lang isa ang mapapanood mo. Like, wide variety of movies from suspense, from action, from comedy, at the price of only 9.99. And makikita dyan that talagang thriving si Netflix because it got 240 million members. Sam's Club and Costco, wholesale membership club. Alternate niyan sa Pilipinas is SNR, di ba? We pay yearly in exchange of what? Wholesale price membership, wholesale price ng mga products, no? And nakita nyo kung ilan ang members, 70 million members, 123 million members, no? I am a member of Costco for 8 years, and I'm not giving up on my Costco membership because I get to enjoy huge discounts. And si Disney Plus, kagaya siya ni Netflix, it offers wide variety of movies na produce ng kanilang, syempre, yung kanilang productions or yung kanilang company, which is Disney Productions, right? So you pay 10.99 per month or 109.99 per year, and you will also enjoy the movies that they have. And ilan ngayon sa Disney Plus? Also 150 million members. So ano ibig sabihin nitong mga members na to? It speaks volume. Ibig sabihin lang that this model or this subscription economy is thriving and it is on upward trajectory, which would prove na this will be the future of commerce. And very important yon, no? Kasi talagang every now and then nag-i-innovate. So ang innovation talaga hindi humihinto. And we just have to be aligned with the innovation because if we don't innovate, then we stagnate, no? Yan. So very relevant po yung mga numbers na yan, no? Yan. Now, ang kaibahan po ng mga companies na binanggit ko po, no? While it is true that yes, we get discounts, we get freebies, we get exclusivities, and probably merong mga points yan, ano? Pag naka-accumulate ka. But these companies don't pay us. Yun ang edge ng Live Good because Live Good is the membership that pays. Bakit? Bakit ganon? Well, you will get to know later because we have an affiliate program na nakalagay sa ating company. And we will be talking about that in detail later on. So yun ang kaibahan natin, no? So on top of the discounts, which the others have as well, meron din tayong discounts. And ito, ang plus natin, yung plus factor natin is Live Good pays us, no? It pays you and me. So paano yun? Mamaya malalaman niyo po. Okay, so just to give you a backstory, no, para mas ma-appreciate nyo anong meron sa ganitong platform. Kasi ipinattern natin ang Live Good sa Amazon. So it is actually a blend of membership club. Ipinattern natin kay Costco as a membership club. At kasi meron tayong wholesale price na products inside our membership club. And ipinattern din natin kay Amazon dahil subscription-based siya. Okay, so it is a blend of membership and a membership club and a subscription model. So going back, no? So, mag-backstory lang tayo how Amazon started nung 1995. July 16, 1995, Amazon officially launches selling books online, no? Doon po siya nag-umpisa in his own backyard, $250,000 na puhunan. And then in the early 2000, he went well beyond books, so nag-expand siya. So he went into selling videos, music, clothing, electronics, toys, kitchenwares, magazine subscriptions, and you could think of anything under the sun, meron si Amazon. And where is Amazon right now? Hindi ho ba? Like, dinisrupt din niya ang mall dahil alam mo, kung gusto mo talaga nagmamadali ka, you just type in something, kahit na rice cooker yan, o kaya yung bullet, anything. Ang unang i-redirect sa'yo ni Google, Amazon, na available yung product na yon. So, ganun na kalaki ngayon si Amazon, no? You could find anything under the sun kay Amazon. Now, with Live Good, si Live Good naman, was launched globally on December 13, 2022 from Jupiter, Florida, with its business model of a wholesale membership club. Kaya po nasabi ko, it is a blend of wholesale membership club and a subscription-based model, no? Ayan. So, it is the first home-based business opportunity that profit shares, take note ha, profit shares its membership revenue with affiliates. Sino yung mga affiliates? Well, we could have the option to be an affiliate. So, sinishare niya ang mga profits niya sa mga affiliates niya. Yun. That is one reason why meron tayong tagline na we are the membership that pays. No? Yan. And the Live Good's revenue comes from the membership and not from the product sales. So, just like the companies na binanggit natin, Amazon, Costco, Sam's Club, Netflix, Disney, kagaya din nila na pag nag-member ka sa Live Good, hindi ka nire-require na magbenta ng product nila. Like, I am a member of Amazon Prime. Hindi sinabi ni Amazon na, Janet, member ka ng Amazon, magbenta ka ng produkto ng Amazon. Costco, magbenta ka ng produkto nila. So, ganun din si Live Good. It does not require you to sell products, which is, kung titignan mo, it disrupt the old traditional way of doing network marketing. Hindi ba? Ano ang traditional way of doing it for 100 years, di ba? Nagkaroon na yung model na if you are a part of network marketing companies, usually ang nangyayari is you have a package and then you are required to sell. So dito kay Live Good, we are not required to sell. Wala tayong purchase requirement. In fact, wala tayong entry packages, no? Yan. So talagang, ay nako, disruptive model talaga siya, no? Yan. And ang good news is Live Good has this record-breaking membership numbers na on its first year, alam nyo ba na nahit natin ang 1 million members and affiliates, no? Combination of members and affiliates on its 13 months. Never ever in the history of multi-level marketing or network marketing nagkaroon ng company na nahit niya ang 1 million members. And ito pa, kahit si Amazon na thriving na ngayon, hindi niya nahit ang 1 million members on its first year. Nahit niya ang 1 million members on its second year. So, ano ang relevance nung ganon, no? Kung titignan mo, kung si Amazon, nahit niya on its second year at namamayagpag siya ngayon, paano na kaya si Live Good? Diba? Na on its first year, nahit na niya ang 1 million members. So, that is something you have to think about. And alam niyo ba na on its first year, nagpa-payout sa Live Good ng $50 million, no? And on its 19th or 20th month, $80 million ang napa-payout niya. Ano ang significance uli nun? Ibig sabihin, this company is really generous. And that could be proven later on when we get to discuss the affiliate program. Okay, very exciting ito. Are you excited? No? Say excited or say type E. Yan, para alam ko andyan pa kayo. And we are nearing 1.5 million members na po, no? To date, Ayan po, baka this week na-hit na natin yung 1.5 million, no? And hundreds of people are joining every hour. Alam nyo ba? Actually, one person is joining every minute. Saan ka naman nakakita ng gano'n? So, ibig sabihin, yung mga ganyan na mga facts, no? Hindi tayo nag-hype, no? There are facts. Kung may nagjo-join na isang tao bawat minuto, there must be something huge. There must be something good and very good sa Livgood. So, yan ang mga titignan natin. And of course, yung 1.5 million members na yan, that is our strength. No? Strength talaga natin yan. So, we have this 1.5 million kung saan mas lalong mapapansin ka ng marketplace. No? And not only that, even suppliers or even other companies na gusto nila na makitie up sa atin because of our numbers. Again, 1.5 million is our strength and we are thriving. Ibig sabihin, hindi pa lang dyan, no? Because the company is really on this forecast na in 10 years, no? There will be 100 million of people coming in. Oh, di ba? Exciting, di ba? Yan. So, more so, syempre, it is very important that you have to know the people behind the company. One of the elements, sabi nga ni Eric Warr, no? One of the most important element na titignan ninyo when joining a company is the profile of the company or the owners, no? It is very important yung integrity, yung credibility nila. So I want you to meet our CEO, the mastermind of Livgood, the brainchild of Livgood, Ben Glinsky. So he is the CEO and he has over more than 25 years of experience when it comes to running and owning of the most successful companies in the nutritional supplement industry. In fact, naging distributor po niya ako sa kanyang previous company before. And it is that during that time, nakita niya, he run the statistics, nakita niya na 1% of the distributors in this industry are earning $3,000 to $5,000 per month. Only 1% ng distributors ng buong industriya, no? And then 3 to 4% kumikita ng roughly nasa $300 to $500 per month. Okay? So tignan niyo ha yung statistics. Now, 1 plus 4, that's 5% ng mga distributors sa ganitong industriya. Sabi niya, saan napunta yung 95%? He found out, natuklasan niya na yung 95% ng mga distributors doon sa old models, the old concept, the sick care model, hindi kumikita. Ang worst, abonado pa sila. So, he was not happy about it. And sabi niya, we always say na itong concept na to, you build it 2 to 3 years and then magkakaroon ka ng residual income. Pero on what's going on ngayon dito sa model, hindi na naka-align yung model sa sinasabi natin. So, trinay nila na i-adjust yung price, pero hindi talaga kaya. No? And he even revealed na yung traditional model, ang isang product pag mina-manufacture na sa $8 to $12 lang. Ngayon, pag ipinasok mo sa isang network marketing industry, or network marketing company, nagma-markup yan ng times 12, times 15. So, nagkakaroon ng mataas na attrition kasi hindi na-afford ng distributor. So, okay na yan, 2 months, pero on the 3rd month, roughly, bumibitaw sila kasi hindi na nila kaya yung presyo and the demand that you have to purchase monthly. So, sabi niya, it is hurting a single mom who just want to have an extra income. So Ben was not happy about it. He retired from the industry. But take note, paano yung company niya, Janet? Hindi po niya close yung company. He collaborated with other companies who has the same model. At bakit niya kayang gawin yan? Because he is a consultant of the other companies. He is an IT guy. And of course, since consultant siya, then he can collaborate. So, doon ako bumili, no? Talagang he made sure that his distributors are well taken care of. At alam niyo po ba, even during the previous company, never pong na-late yung aming payout. And dito sa Live Good, alam niyo naman kung hindi maaga, 'di ba? Kung hindi on time, maaga. Live Good pays on time all the time. 'Di ba? Ayan. Okay. So, moving forward, we have our formulator, Dr. Ryan Goodkin, the Director of Product Development, the formulator. He is very thorough, and ang background niya is a pharmacist at the same time a natural health practitioner. So hindi po siya bago pagdating sa ganitong sa wellness and fitness, no? Yan. And in fact, dahil sa pagiging thorough and detailed niya, kilala niya ang mga farmers, kilala niya ang kung saan kinukuha yung mga products, alam niya, and then alam niya pati kung paano extract. And ang sabi nga niya, he formulate the products for his family to use. And he wants to share it with the world. So, sinishare niya sa atin. So, ibig sabihin nun, since very detailed siya and very thorough, at talagang ipapakain niya sa family niya, then it is guaranteed that we have the cleanest, purest product. And laging sinasabi din ni Ben niya, very careful siya, very meticulous siya. Pagdating sa pag-extract, alam niya kung saan hina-harvest, so alam niya na malinis talaga yung mga products na ginagamit sa ating sa products na nilalabas, no? Yan, now, side by side with his wife, Lisa Goodkin, who is the Director of Product Education. Si Lisa naman also has a background in exercise physiology, at the same time sa science and nutrition, and she embodies health and wellness, no? So she is the go-to person pagdating sa diet, anong ilalagay ko sa katawan ko, ano ang dapat na pag-take, ano ba yung mga dapat na i-take. So Lisa is the go-to person. She embodies health and wellness, no? Yan. And of course, yung sparring partner at BFF ni Ben, we have Noder Kazan, the Director of Field Development. He is a philanthropist, a mentor, a trainer. He helped a lot of people. At alam nyo ba na in every day, nasa 12 to 15 Zoom siya. That's how passionate he is as well, no? So sila actually yung nag-usap ni Ben about this concept, no? So siya ang nangulit kay Ben to come up with Live Good. So given this these founders and co-founders, no, with their passion, with their mission, talagang mission-driven sila, and you know, the mission of Live Good is to get everyone healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. No, yun ang mission nila. So pare-pareho silang naka-align sa mission na yon. So with that, masasabi natin that we are in good hands. And I am a little bit taking time sa pag-explain sa corporate team para makita niyo yung kanilang credibility, integrity, and how passionate, mission-driven they are pagdating. And alam naman po natin that, you know, when you have a good leadership, you will be in good hands. Sabi nga, everything rise and fall on leadership. So given this fact na talagang mission-driven sila, naku po, kumpiyansa tayo na talagang pati tayo magiging successful, no? Yan. Bakit to bumabalik? Okay, hold on. Yan. Okay. Oops. Yan. So, Live Good started with high-quality organic, certified, very affordable, natural products. Bakit tayo nag-umpisa sa health and wellness? Number one, because of the pandemic. Number two, because hindi na tayo conscious sa mga kinakain natin. Yun ang sinabi ni Ben. And sa ngayon, we live in a fast-paced world, no? Hindi na nga tayo conscious sa mga kinakain natin. So, ang nangyayari is nagiging binabaliwala na natin yung ating health. So, ang sabi ni Ben, before even thinking about making money, you have to think of being healthy. And that is the reason why ito yung products na in-introduce natin, no? Okay, but take note, no? Hindi tayo health and wellness company. And to prove that we have a very affordable products, because actually we are the revolution. And what created Live Good a revolution? It is the value. value. And to prove that, makikita nyo po sa slide na to, no? 3 products alone ang nakikita nyo dyan versus 3 products ng ating competitor. Now, we have value. That's what created Live Good a revolution. The value, a value for money sa products natin. Starting off with the Super Greens, a product that is jam-packed, power-packed with all the greens na maiisip natin. Dandelion, moringa, ano pa, wheatgrass, barley, spirulina, and so on and so forth. Na talagang this is good for our overall well-being, for our immune support, and of course for gut support for only $18 versus yung competitor, $99.99. Isang product lang yan, ha? Okay? And take note, ha, yung mga products natin, hindi siya inferior, ha? It is made with the highest quality at the lowest price. USDA approved, GMP certified with certificate of analysis, no? Yan. So, gone were the days na sinasabi natin na pagmahalang products, ano yan? Pagmahalang products, high quality, no? Yan. Hindi na po, ano yon, dahil with Live Good, dinisrupt din yan na pwedeng maging high quality ang product, pero at an affordable price. Saan? Sa Live Good. Okay, second product, protein with 21 essential amino acids, no? Kailangan natin to. Why? Bakit kailangan natin ng protein supplement? Because as we age, the first sign of aging is muscle loss. Kaya we need protein for only $22 versus $62.95 yung ating competitor. Number 3, another essential products, collagen peptides. You think we need collagen? Yes. Kasi as we age, nagdideplete din ang ating collagen, no? And ano yung signs na nagdideplete yung collagen mo? When you have brittle nails, when you have falling hair, when you have sagging skin, at saka yung joints mo, nako, tumutunog-tunog na, no? Yan, we have our natural collagen. But as we age, in fact, as early as 20s, no? Late 20s, pwede nang ma-deplete yan. No? And the good news about our collagen, it is bovine source, the most effective, efficient, potent na collagen. Maraming collagen in the market, 24 kinds. But we use the bovine collagen, yung collagen na nanggaling sa cow or beef. Bakit? Kasi yun ang malapit sa natural collagen, sa human collagen. Kaya yun ang ginamit natin. How much? For only $27.95. Hydrolyzed collagen pa yan. Pag hydrolyzed, madali siyang i-absorb ng katawan. Okay? Ilan ang competitors? $79.96. Imagine 3 products alone. Ilan ang savings natin? $174.95. Pag kinompute nyo po yan, in peso, pwede nang pamalengke yan, hindi po ba? No? Yan. So, 2 weeks na sigurong allowance siya. So, ano na naman ang significance nito, Janet? Well, $1 saved is $1 earned. Ibig sabihin, nakasave ka ng ganyan para ka na rin kumita. Ibig sabihin, na-save mo yung ganyan kalaki, then para ka na rin, nakasave ka, pwede mo siyang gamitin sa ibang mga bagay. Pwedeng makabili ka ng ibang products or pwede mo siyang gamitin ng ibang kailangan mo. Pwede sa bahay or sa mga ibang necessities mo. Right? So, ito yon. Kaya nga tayo, value for money. Again, we are a revolution and what created Live Good a revolution, uulitin ko, is the value. The value for money. Okay? Ayan. Now, we have the international, magsasample tayo, no? International Wellness Pack. 6 kinds of products, no? I'm sorry, this is wrong price na. $99.95 na yan. Pero free shipping worldwide. The good news about our international wellness pack, or our products na nakalagay dito, they are essentials. Ibig sabihin, kailangan talaga natin to. Starting off with the multivitamin for men or women, no? Maganda po yan for daily natin na supplement, no? Magkaiba ang vitamin ng men or women dahil magkaiba din ang physiological need. Ang men kailangan ng selenium for their prostate health. Ang women kailangan ng more iron to compensate their menstrual loss. Okay, kaya magkaiba yan, no? Kaya po, kung ano ba to? Ba't ba nagaganito to? Okay. So number 2, we have D3K2, the sunlight vitamin. This is also for immune support, for weight management, no? Especially sa mga lugar na hindi nasisinagan ng araw, kagaya namin dito, no? Yan, kailangan din po natin yan. And this is also, again, for weight management, nakakatulong din po yan. Ultra Magnesium Complex, one of the most important supplements natin. Kaya nga itong mga andito, essentials talaga eh, no? Ang magnesium po, no, it is responsible for 300 chemical reactions in the body. Kung meron tayong hindi balanse sa katawan, it must be yung kakulangan ng magnesium. And alam niyo po ba, okay, na ang magnesium, pag kulang po tayo ng magnesium sa katawan, it would lead us to more serious illnesses like diabetes, high blood pressure, heart problems, anxiety, sa problema sa liver, and so on and so forth. Kaya nga pag halimbawa hindi pa nila ma-diagnose yung sakit po ninyo, anong binibigay muna? It is the magnesium. Again, it is responsible for 300 chemical reactions in the body. So napaka-importante po talaga. And the good news about our magnesium, it is magnesium glycinate. Much, much better than the one that we have in the market na magnesium citrate. Ang glycinate kasi madali ding i-absorb ng katawan. Okay, nabanggitan natin ang super greens. Ang super reds naman ay para sa heart, no? Because as we age naman, nagkakaroon tayo ng problema sa heart, and then bumababa yung ating, nagdi-deplete yung ating nitric oxide, no? Kaya importante din na mag-take tayo ng super reds. And ito, top seller po natin, Factor 4, our anti-inflammatory products. Alam nyo ba na ang root cause ng lahat ng diseases is inflammation? And nangyayari yon sa loob ng katawan. So the good news about our Factor 4 is that merong 4 na very important na anti-inflammatory ingredients na usually binibili yon hiwa-hiwalay. Ang ginawa ni LiveGood, ginawa ni Doc Ryan, tinignan niya yung mga potent na pang-anti-inflammation, inilagay niya dito sa Factor 4. Kaya tinawag na Factor 4. Garlic, fish oil, CoQ10, and curcumin. No? So kung tutusin, dapat yan binibili mo separately. Kaya talaga namang napakaganda ng ating products. You could also research our products, no? Alam niyo po, andyan na ang social media, no? Kaya nga the old way of doing network marketing is dead kasi alam niyo po, nakakapag-price compare na mga tao. And very competitive tayo kasi kahit natitignan mo yung mga products natin, incomparable, wala pang nakakabit. And I'm talking about the high quality products. We're not talking about the cheap ones. Kaya ayaw ko pong tawagin din na cheap ang products natin. Because usually, pag sinabi mong we have cheap products, no? Pag sinabi mong cheap, naka-associate yan sa low quality. Kaya dapat be careful with the term that you are using. You should use affordable, no? Affordable products. Okay? Ayan. Pwede po ba gumamit ng multivitamin for women 55 years? Oo naman po, ma'am. Ako, ma'am, gumagamit po. Ito, may multivitamin po ako. Ako po 54, isang taon lang. Yes, ma'am. Pwede naman po. No? You could read the label po, no? Ayan. Pwede po, ma'am. And to validate that, kung ano po, you could also ask Lisa. But a lot of people have asked that as well sa kanya. And umuo naman siya. Dumating na yung collagen mo, Ma'am Eden. Yan. Okay, oy, good news yan ha. Okay, so eto pa ha. Ito naman po, hindi na po free shipping to, pero 7 products siya. So ito naman yung ating Ultimate Wellness Pack ba to? Yan. So, 7 products siya. Ayan, may aminos. Maganda din po yan sa ating muscle, no? Ayan. So, tignan nyo ha. Ito. Tignan nyo. Laging, kung nanonood po kayo ng Cut of Zoom, no? Si Ben o si Nodder, may dala-dala silang, ayan, yung skinny green na, I don't know kung sa Amazon nila binili or sa isang company. So, isang product, 99.95 compared sa 7 product na meron tayo sa LiveGood. Isn't that amazing? Talagang disruptive model siya. And yun mo makikita na ang value for money talaga, right? Yan. Okay. So, eto pa yung mga products. So, hindi tayo nagpa-product demo but just to give you para mas ma-appreciate nyo na magaganda yung mga products natin na hindi lang basta-basta product na nilagay sa membership club. Itong hydration amplifier, I see some of you na nag-workout. Si Coach Nok, nakikita ko, meron siyang pinapakitang video na nag-workout siya. Alam nyo po, napaka-importante po itong hydration amplifier kasi po nadideplete din yung ating electrolytes. Anong cause or bakit nadideplete yung electrolytes? When we are exercising, when we are sweating, when we are stressed, nako, lalo na pag may bisyo kayo, umiinom kayo, nagyoyosi, nadideplete din ang inyong electrolytes. So we need the hydration amplifier. It is not enough na umiinom kayo ng tubig. Bakit? Pati yung tubig natin, process na, di ba? Ilang stages yan. Kaya it is very important that you have to have this hydration amplifier. Okay, so ito yung protein natin. So ito na yung pang 30-day supply. Yung kanina po kasi is pang 15-day supply. So in-improve na ngayon. So mas naging affordable siya sa 30-day supply po natin. Okay? Ayan. And of course, my favorite, no, ang lean. Pasintabi po sa mga kumakain. Ito na po yung effect ng lean, ano? So, naku po, very powerful yung ating lean. Although ang focus niya hindi sa weight loss, pero it is more of burning fats without losing muscle. So, ako po, ang personal testimony ko dyan is yo-yo ang tawag ko. Bakit yo-yo? Kasi tataba ako, papayat, tataba, papayat. Ngayon, it is very expensive. May ginagamit ako noon na natural din. Although it is very expensive talaga, triple the price of Livcod. Kaya nagsawa ako dahil nga on top of mahal, kuminsan out of stock pa. And hindi maganda yung effect sa akin. But with lean, because of this very powerful ingredients niya, no, talagang na-burn yung fats ko. So I went on my 90-day journey. So yan yon yung naka-black na ako, no? Yan. Yan yung first picture, yan yung 220 na picture ko. So ganyan ako, lulugo, papayat, tataba. So ganun lagi, no? Pero ngayon nami-maintain po natin yan. And the good news is wala pong kumbaga walang crash, walang, alam niyo yun, walang, sa akin walang side effect. Maybe because nasanay na rin po tayo sa natural. So talagang I really love lean. Again, this is for burning fats without losing your muscles. And alam niyo po, ginagamit din po ito. May itong berberine, no? Ozempic in nature yan. So pwede din po ito sa mga may diabetes, no? Yan. Okay. So take note po ha, ayan. Or yung mataas ang sugar level content. Okay? Yan. Okay. Ilang bottles ang naubos ko? Ma'am, basta ang isang bottle is good for 30 days kasi you have to follow yung 6 capsules per day. Although pwede ka na mag-umpisa ng 2, pero ang instruction talaga is 6 capsules a day. So 2 capsules before every meal. No? Yeah, so I followed that religiously. Ngayon, kung halimbawang yung mga iba kasi medyo skeptic dahil hindi sanay sa natural, you could start with 2. Ngayon, ang ano po dyan sa lean is that when you take the lean, kabilin-bilinan po ni Doc Ryan that you have to increase your fluid intake. Okay? Ayan, so we have the Himalayan Shilajit and organic sea moss. Naku po, alam niyo po ba, napakaganda po nito. Ayan, no? Ito po, oh. So, this has been used by Ayurveda, sa mga nag-Ayurveda, no? So, it supports nervous system and brain function. Kung napapansin niyo po, mostly na pina-formulate nila is about the heart and also about the brain. Bakit? Very important kasi ang brain natin, no? Naku po, pag yan na ang bumigay, disaster talaga. And I could say that I am a testament to that kasi nasa long-term care po tayo. Torture din po pag halimbawang hindi na nagpa-function ng tama yung brain mo. Kaya you have to really take care of your brain po. Especially ngayon, ang statistics, as early as 45, pwede ka nang magka-dementia. And bakit? Bakit ganun kaaga? Because of exposure sa radiation, no? Lalo na yung mga internet natin, 5G na, naku po. Nagkakaroon ng radiation yan, nag-i-interrupt din sa brainwaves natin. So, very important that you have to have really supplements also for the brain. No? And itong Shilajit, maganda siya. brain function, hormonal balance, the thyroid. It also boosts sexual fertility, and maganda to for improving the cholesterol and heart health. Ang daming nito. In fact, merong video akong pinost noon, She was a user of a Shilajit on a different company naman. She is 93, pero ang stamina, ang feeling niya, yung strength niya parang 30 years old. Oh, imagine. Kaya talagang we need to supplement ourselves, Ito bago, of course, detox, boost energy, promotes clearer skin, enhance immune function for only $14.95. So ito na po yung pinakabago, And ayan, very powerful dahil may chlorophyll po siya. Okay. So, ayan, actually marami pa. We have almost 27 products, pero binanggit ko lang a few for you to appreciate yung products natin in our membership club. So, we are the Amazon of social marketing, and we will be the next Amazon of social marketing, at tayo ang Amazon ng network marketing. Okay? But take note that we are not a health and wellness company. We are not a CBD oil company. We are not a coffee company. We are not a collagen company. We are not a protein company. We are a membership club. Kaya lang ni-launch ni Live Good ang health and wellness because of the result ng COVID, at the same time to promote the elevated awareness of preventative healthcare. Dahil naniniwala sa Live Good, and of course, the old adage, the old saying na an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. So let us be proactive instead of being reactive. Kahit na wala kayong nararamdaman ngayon, even if you think na healthy ka, naku po, supplement yourself. Kahit po sinasabi nyo na, magtitake na ako kakain na lang ako ng fresh fruits and vegetable. Mind you, ang mansanas ngayon, ini-injekan na ng formalin. And para saan ang formalin? Sa patay. So buhay pa tayo, pinapatay na tayo, di ba? So take note of that. It is not a guarantee na porque fresh fruits or vegetables, hindi, dahil ini-sprayan yan ng pesticides, diba? Herbicides, coffee alone, diba? Sinabi din ni Ryan sa sa pagpaprocess na nasasama pati yung mga mold, na ang sabi niya, in fact, coffee is the dirtiest beverage dahil pag pinaprocess siya, pag hindi nasasama sa processes yung mold. At pag hindi organic yan at hindi malinis, then may fungi. And then dahil sa mga herbicides na ginamit sa pesticide, nasasama din siya. So, yon. Okay, so we have to commit ourselves to be healthy, because health is not a passing trend. Hindi porke usong magpaka-healthy, magpapaka-healthy ka. No, it is a commitment to yourself, So, self-care is self-love. Tatandaan niyo yan. Okay, and of course, Live Good will be your one-stop online wholesale superstore. Okay, so ang good news is Live Good wants to put everything in our membership club. Nag-umpisa lang tayo sa health and wellness, pero we could put anything, just like Amazon, we could put anything, travel, household products in the works na. Konting-konti na lang, baka ma-surprise kayo. Next week, meron na. Skincare, meron na tayong 4 na products. The toner, moisturizer, and then tightener, and then isinama yung, alam niyo po yung serum natin, and then yung existing ngayon na eraser, yung instant youth, in-improve po yan, in-upgrade po. Malamang kasama yun doon sa 4 na klase. Isn't that exciting? Ayan. Of course, unisex to, pwede sa babae, pwede sa lalaki, Actually, mas vain nga ang mga lalaki ngayon, di ba? Mas nakikita ko dito, mas marami nagpapa-facial ng mga lalaki kaysa sa babae. Di ba? Ayan. Okay, ano po yun? Ayan, the best yan. Sabi ni, andito ka pala, Sir Josie, Ma'am Josie, you're here. Ayan, okay. Uy, excited na si Ma'am Eden sa skincare. Ayan. Okay, so, ano pa? Skincare, water filters, online services. In fact, alam nyo ba, na nilagyan na-tap na rin natin yung pharmacy, the pharmacy space, no? And alam nyo, maganda pag na-tap, ito ikukwento ko sa inyo, para lang ma-appreciate nyo talaga yung membership. Bakit natin tinap yung pharmacy space? Kagaya ni Costco. Si Costco, pag pumasok ka sa Costco, merong pharmacy yan. Ganon din tayo, membership club tayo, kaya natap natin yung pharmacy space. And we have a network of doctors. Janet, di ba, tayo, organic and natural, bakit merong prescriptive drug? Well, ganito ang explanation niyan. Para alam nyo din pong i-explain to. Although ito available lang sa US, pero syempre makikita yan sa back office. Kayo din, baka hindi nyo po alam. No? So, ito po yon. Kaya tinap po yun, yung product na in-introduce na yan sa atin is that for excessive weight. Kasi po, sa US po, yung obesity na tinatawag, no, excessive weight yon, obesity, is a public health problem sa US. And in fact, yung dalawang product na yon na nandito, na tap natin, no, is meron ng 40 million users. Hindi yun market, hindi yun target market, meron ng 40 million users na kumbaga na-prescribean ng ganon. And pag binili mo yun sa labas, umaabot siya ng $400. No, ngayon, merong isang laboratory or isang pharmaceutical company na ka-tie up natin na ibibigay sa atin yung product na yon ng $199. Pero ang condition, syempre, para ma-avail mo yung product na yun at that cost, kailangan maging member ka ng LiveGod. Diba? Ngayon, ito ang good news. Pag yung mga yon nalaman nila, which is nag-advertise na si LiveGod, no? Nalaman nila na merong ganun kababa na presyo, then bibili sila. And then it will open the gateway na pag pumasok sila as a member, makikita nila na meron pa pala tayong mga ibang products. So it will be a transition from it will be a transition to using organic products. And at the same time, ito yung idea na habang gumagamit ka kasi ng prescriptive drug, syempre, kailangan mo pa rin mag-supplement kasi nawawalan ka ng nutrients and minerals pag nag-maintain ka o kaya meron ka mga ginagamit na prescriptive drug. So it will open the gateway to educate, to teach those 40 million or kahit na 1% lang ang bumili nun to go to a transition na gagamit sila ng natural products natin. So that's the idea. Okay? So again, we are not a proponent of drug. Hindi din tayo promoter ng drug. The only reason why we have this space, the pharmacy space, is because we are a membership club and because we intended na itong mga to na users ay ma-convert din in using our natural product. So ganun nyo po siya explain. How do you suggest po we tap Ozempic users? Coach, what do you mean? How do you suggest po we tap Ozempic users po? No? Ayan, basta meron pong funnel yan. Actually, meron po tayong LiveGod Clinic. So, iyan, hindi pa tayo, merong doctors na, a set of doctors, no, na in charge dyan. So, in case na kailangan ng mga tao for that drug, merong LiveGod Clinic and then i-assess ka muna. May sariling funnel siya. Are you qualified to do that? We cannot just promote that. So, kung pwede sila or anong tawag doon, qualified sila to use our product, then they have to qualify doon sa funnel. Ganun po yun. Saan po hahanapin? What do you mean saan hahanapin? Yung mga Ozempic users, medyo vague po yung question po. Although, i-entertain ko po yan mamaya after the presentation, no? Kasi medyo vague po yung, vague po yung question. Mamaya po, i-ano po natin yan. Ita-tackle natin yan. Okay, so I'll give you more reasons to join LiveGod. Number 1, We have a lot of products to come. Currently, we have 27 products and more to come. In the next 2 years, Live Good plans to have 200 products na maila-launch. Okay? We have incredible wholesale pricing. Nakita nyo naman yung price comparison. Number 3, we have a 90-day empty bottle money back guarantee. Pag if by chance na hindi ka masaya sa product, hindi mo nagustuhan yung lasa ng product, then ang sabi ni Ben, we don't want to take your money. We could just refund, just return the empty bottle. Saan ka nakakita ng ganyan, ano? So if you're not happy with the product, just return the empty bottle and then i-refund the Live Good. Number 4, the fourth reason why you have to join Live Good, there's nothing to buy, there's nothing to sell. Although pwede ka namang bumili or pwedeng hindi. You could buy the products whenever you want it, whenever you need it. You could buy small, big, bulk, isa, it's all up to you. Walang mandatory. No? Again, hindi ka din required magbenta, but optional kung gusto mo dahil ikaw ay ang talent mo magbenta, then you could also sell, right? No auto shipping. Ibig sabihin nun, hindi mandatory na i-debit yung card mo para makabili ng product, no? So, again, although itong auto ship na to is optional. Bakit optional? Kasi in the event na halimbawa makakalimutin ka at ayaw mong mawalan ng collagen, then you could just set it up. Pero hindi po siya required. So everything is flexible pagdating kay Live Good, no? And number 5, we have a very powerful compensation plan. It is so simple, it is doable, duplicatable, powerful, and generous, no? Yan. Number 6, timing. Timing is everything. Lagi natin naririnig yan. You are at the right place at the right time. We have not started the engine yet. We have not scratched the surface yet. We are just getting excited, getting started. Yung 1.5 million na numbers natin, naku po, wala pang sinabi yan doon sa, ano yung mga numbers ni Amazon? Ano yung mga numbers ni Netflix? We're talking about 230 million, 130 million. Naku po, wala pa. That's nothing yet. Laging sinasabi ni Ben yan, sabay tawa pa siya. So, is it best time to join Live Good? Of course, no? You are at the right place at the right time. You are in the right vehicle. The question is, will you be the right person for this company? Doon na tayo magkakatalo. And ikaw lang po ang makakasugot yan. Right? Yan. Okay. So, Janet, gustong-gusto ko na, parang maganda yon. Excited ako. I feel I want the product, no? Yan. We have to make our prospect want the product. Stop saying na, oh, you need the products. Make them want our products. Make them na pagnasaan nila ang produkto natin. Bakit? Well, you give them the benefits. Ano ang kakaiba sa product? Stop saying na, oh, alam mo, kailangan mo to. Stop saying that. Make them want the product. Okay? Yan. Okay, so you could join as a member and you could join as an affiliate. If you just want the product, dahil gusto mo ng healthy lifestyle, gusto mo yung quality ng products namin, then you could join as a member for only 9.95 per month. Siyempre, subscription company tayo, right? So 9.95 per month in exchange with what? Affordable products, highest quality, lowest price as a member. Now, you could also join as an affiliate. Now, ano ang perks pag affiliate ka? Okay? So pag affiliate ka, how much? Siyempre, tatanungin natin presyo, $49.95. $40 one time, lifetime, forever. Kung sa Love, walang forever. Sa Live Good, merong forever kasi one time lang yung $40 plus $9.95 yung first month mo. So a total of $49.95. Okay? And then, monthly, babayaran mo na yung $9.95. Ito yung good news kasi merong second option being an affiliate. Yung 1 year, para done ka na, wala ka nang iniisip, nakafocus ka na lang on sharing the business. Yes, pag naging affiliate ka, meron kang global business, international business in 230 countries. You could do the business in 230 countries for only $49.95. or 139.95. Ngayon, I highly recommend the 139.95 kasi pag yun ang in-avail mo, you get 20% discount, ibig sabihin yung 2 months mo libre na. And when you have that option, done na, you are focused on sharing the business. Kanino mo i-share yung negosyo mo? With your friends, with your relatives, with who? Pwedeng offline, pwedeng online. To anybody pwede in 230 countries. Remember, global po tayo. So, meron kang negosyo worldwide, global. No? Now, ang tanong ko po sa inyo, yung 139 na yan, is it too expensive for you? Mabigat ba? O sabihin na natin, Janet, wala akong budget eh. Go for the 49.95. What do you get? You have 3 replicated website. Ginawan ka ni Livegood ng napakagandang website. Corporate site, 3 yan, ha? Actually, 5. 3 website, corporate site, retail site, and your Tourlink site. Yung corporate site, makikita mo yung difference ng price ng members at retail price ng mga products. Retail site, in the event na halimbawa meron kang mga friends na gusto nila, tikman muna nila. Then, share your retail site. Bibili sila dun sa retail site mo. Hindi ka mamoblemang mamuhunan. Hindi ka mamoblemang magbibit-bit-bit. Social na tayo, di ba? Siyempre, magle-level up na rin tayo. Wala nang mag-aabono, wala nang bibili at i-deliver. So, sasabihin mo lang, okay, gusto mong tikman yung coffee? Ito yung website ko. And then, i-click mo lang yan, add to cart. So, meron kang sariling dropshipping site. Personalized. And the third one, which is the very important one na gagamitin natin most of the time, is our Tourlink site, or we can call it the franchising site. Bakit franchising website? Kasi yung site na yan, sa bawat tao na pag-sharean mo yan, naniwala sa'yo kasing sipag mo, gustong mabago ang buhay niya, or maybe gusto lang niyang maka-earn ng extra income. Every person na pag-sharean mo yan ay parang franchise mo. Saan ka nakakita ng isang franchise na ang worth is 49.95 or 139.95? Hindi million. Usually, kinukoin natin ang franchise sa million. Magkano ang franchise ng Chowking, McDonald's, Jollibee? Million. But here, you have a franchising website, franchising link, no? Sa 49.95. O sabihin na natin, Janet, hindi ko alam yung franchise. O sige, yung madaling explanation, pag halimbawang ayaw mo nitong business na to, I would challenge you. Yung 139.95 or 49.95, anong negosyo ang kaya mong ipatayo? Diba? Fishball? Food cart business, magkano ang food cart? Sari-sari store, anong itsura ng sari-sari store mo sa 49.95? Diba? Might as well have Livegood as a global business. And literally, ang mangyayari sa'yo, you will earn while you sleep. Bakit? Magkakaiba po ang time zone natin. Umaga nyo dyan, gabi dito. Pag meron kang na-invite na taga-Canada, habang natutulog ka, kami nag-share ng business. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that wonderful? No? Reaction naman dyan. Hindi ba kayo natutuwa? Ayan, si Ma'am Eden. Ayan, nasa Hong Kong. Kayo po na nasa Pilipinas. Diba? So, try to visualize, try to look at this business long term. Tignan mo po ng malayuan si Livegood for only 49.95 or 139.95. Diba? Maganda o napakagandang negosyo. Diba? Yan. Okay. So, the good news is, bukod doon sa 3 replicated website na yun, ito na yung main event ng ating presentation, yung highlights natin. We can earn in actually 7 ways yan. Isinama lang yung dalawa sa number 7. So, you can earn in 7 ways. Weekly fast start, matrix commission, matching bonuses, retail commission, customer acquisition bonuses, influencer bonuses, diamond bonus pool, and crown diamond bonus pool. But we will be tackling the most important 3 ways: the weekly fast start, matrix commission, and matching bonuses. Are you ready? So lend me your ears, brace yourself. Tumutok po tayo dito doon sa mga utak negosyante, Sa mga gustong magnegosyo at seryosohin, then please, may I have your attention. Be on the learning mode, be on the position na talagang makikinig po kayo. Yes, Live Good is amazing business. It is for the masses. I agree with you, Sir John. Oh, hi, Sir John from Alberta, no? Yes, ready na. Okay, Sir Tibbs, buti na lang may Live Good, my forever. Si Sir Tibbs, humuhugot. Okay. Totoo po bang magkaka-discount po pag nag-auto-ship? What do you mean po? Ang advantage po ng auto-ship po kasi is since naka-auto-ship na siya, no? Well, mas mabilis i-prepare yung product mo kasi naka-auto-ship na. So, hindi kagaya pag nag-order ka and then ipapack pa lang. Unlike pag naka-auto-ship, syempre ready for delivery na yan dahil naka-program na sa system. Yun ang alam ko po pag auto-ship natin. Okay? Ayan, so moving forward tayo. Okay? So start na tayo on the first way to earn. Buti na lang may Live Good, nakapahinga ako utang kay amo. Oo, di ba? Yan. Okay, weekly fast start commissions, first way to earn. Paano yan, Janet? For every person na masisharean mo ng Live Good at nag-enroll siya, $49.95. Ikaw po na nagpa-enroll, you get $25 commission. 1,400 pesos sa Pilipinas sa conversion natin sa ating currency sa Pinas. 1,400. Magkano ang minimum wage dyan ngayon sa Pinas? 600? 8 hours, 12 hours na trabaho? Magta-tricycle ka, magta-taxi, or magbabus, magme-makeup ka pa, bibili ka pa ng damit? Maintenance mo, right? So dito, you share it and you get $25 anywhere in the world. Basta nasa 230 countries. Basta dun sa kinakasakupan niya, no? Now, ang fast start commission binibigay weekly. So, like ngayon, no, cut off po natin hanggang mamayang 12. 2, no? Yan. So, every week binibigay po yan. Okay? So, ito example. Masipag ka po. Meron kang 10 kaibigan. 10 times 25, nag-enroll sila sa $49.95. Meron kang $25 times 10, $250. Kailan mo makukuha? Next week. Paano ko makukuha? Well, you can, very flexible sa Live Good. Pwedeng credit wallet, pwede sa bank mo, pero we highly recommend sa credit wallet dahil po mas mabilis at syempre mas walang processing fee. No? Ayan. Saka na kayong mag-ano sa bangko pag malaki-laki na para hindi kayo mabawasan sa bank. Okay, so $25 for every successful affiliate or enrollee. No? Ayan, ganun lang po siya kasimple. Furthermore, ang maganda because we have a team building structure, meron tayong team dito, no? So, ibig sabihin, meron din tayong ranking, no? Yan. So, may team tayo, may ranks tayo dito, napupromote po tayo. Okay, so we all start with the unranked. Ito yung 50%, ito yung $25. Ngayon, merong first rank dito is the bronze rank. Paano yon? Once you become bronze, additional 10% ng override sa fast start mo, overriding commission. Paano yan, Janet? Paano mag-bronze? You only need to share it with 2 people. Pag shinare mo sa 2 tao at nag-enroll sila, then you become a bronze affiliate. No? Ngayon, ang perks ng bronze affiliate is that meron kang additional 10%. Saan manggagaling yung 10%? Di po ba, kayo po, shinare nyo sa 2. Siyempre, yung 2 na pinag-share nyo, hindi din papayag na hindi po mag-bronze yan. So, magbo-bronze din. So, they will also get their 2s, right? So, sila may 25-25, may 25-25, yung 2 mo. Ngayon, siyempre, yung 4 na yon, hindi mo na sila kilala, hindi mo sila direct, pero dahil bronze ka, meron kang additional 10%. Bawat isa sa kanila. So that makes like $5 times 4, may $20 ka. So as ganun po ang fast start commission na as you rank up, lumalaki yung iyong overriding commission. 10 levels din po yan hanggang diamond. So nagva-vary yan, depende sa rank po natin. Okay? Yan. Okay, so darating yung time na kahit hindi mo kakilala, you will earn. So ang maganda sa concept natin is that we use the power of leveraging. And I'm pretty sure familiar po kayo sa leveraging, right? Sa mga hindi po familiar, the power of leveraging is you multiply your time and effort through others. So it saves you time. Okay? Yun po. So if you want to research more on leveraging, pwede po sa Google. Naku po, if you will discover the power of leveraging, naku po, it's mind-blowing. No? Yan. So yun ang isang power ng ganitong industriya, the power of leveraging. Again, you multiply your time and effort through others. Okay? Okay. So, ito, second way to earn. Okay? The second way to earn is that when you become an affiliate, meron po tayong matrix 3. Right? So, everyone has its own matrix 3. Okay? So, ang matrix 3 natin is starting with 2 by 12 hanggang 2 by 15 yan. So, sa 2 by 12 muna tayo. So, in the matrix 3, spots are filled from top to bottom, left to right on a first come, first serve basis. Okay? Take note. Spots are filled from top to bottom, left to right on a first come, first serve basis. Okay, so ganito po yan. Ikaw po yung sa umpisa. First level mo is 2. These are your 2 front lines. And then yung second level mo, dahil power of 2 tayo, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, 1028, and so on and so forth. Okay, ngayon, ang idea sa matrix commission is like this. How are you going to get your matrix commission? Remember, meron kang matrix 3. Ngayon, sino ang papasok dyan sa mga matrix 3 mo? Those people who are paying their subscription following the enroller 3. Okay, so enroller 3, di ba, may kanya-kanya tayong enroller 3, no? So, Janet, manggagaling ba lahat sa akin tong mga taong ito? Hindi. So, saan nanggagaling to? Anybody na basta nagpo-fall sa enroller 3 mo. Okay? It could be direct na nanggagaling sa'yo o indirect na nanggagaling sa upline mo, regardless kung ilan yan, basta laging nakafollow sa genealogy mo. Okay? Sa enroller 3 mo. Okay, so you will be paid 2.5% from every 9.95 membership. So, ibig sabihin, lahat na nagbabayad, meron kang 25 cents. Kaya nga tayo tinawag na membership that pays. So, lahat na nagsusubscribe, na nagpo-fall sa matrix mo, may 25 cents ka. So, pag napuno, again, pag napuno yung 12 level mo, that makes 8,192 members times 0.25. Ganun po yan. Ngayon, ang pagpuno po nito, well, depende po yan. No? Pwedeng mabilis, pwedeng mabagal, pwedeng super bagal. Because the matrix 3 or the matrix commission is the slow way to build a business. Okay, there are 2 ways to build Live Good. Tatandaan nyo to. Very important to. The slow way or the fast way. The slow way is andito sa matrix commission. No? Wherein you wait. But this is also called the retirement money. Kaya po is slow way. It will develop over time. Kung tatanungin niyo po ako, kailan mapupuno yung matrix, I don't know. Nobody knows po. Ngayon, if you want to fill your matrix fast, then do the fast way. Na pag-uusapan natin after this, no? Yan. Ito, again, this is the slow way to build the business. This is called the retirement income and it will develop over time. Ito yung potential income ng ating matrix or the matrix commission. Diba mag-umpisa tayo sa Unrun. Hanggang level 12 tayo, 8,192 people times 0.25, that makes 2,047.50 pag puno yung matrix mo. Okay, when you become bronze, silver, gold, platinum, diamond, may mga potential income din yan. Take note, these are projected income. These are potential income, meaning possibility. Meaning, pag napuno. Yung mga figures na yan, pag napuno. Ang good news about matrix commission is kahit hindi puno ang matrix mo, you are still entitled to receive matrix commission. Regardless kung ilan yan, 1, 2, entitled ka ng matrix commission. Wala tayong capping. Okay? Yan. Yan ang tatandaan niyo yan. Again, matrix commission is a slow way to build a business. The fast way to build a business is the matching bonuses. Ngayon, this is the most exciting part ng compensation plan natin because when you get to share Live Good, it opens the gateway for the matching bonuses. So, paano na-earn ang matching bonuses? Lahat ng dinirect mo, merong matrix income din yan. Ikaw may matrix income, lahat ng direct mo may matrix income din. Ang sinasabi sa matching bonus, whatever matrix income meron ang direct mo, 50% of that tatapatan ni Live Good. Ma-match yan. No? Hindi po pares-pares, wala po tayong left and right dito. Ma-match yan ni Live Good ang 50% ng matrix pay ng iyong direct. Okay? And the good news is that hindi dyan nagtatapos ang matching bonus. Merong generational bonus na mag-uumpisa pag silver ka. Okay? So pag silver ka, meron kang 10% first, second generation. Generation, buong angkan. Okay? So, sa gold, pag nag-gold rank ka, hanggang third generation, additional 5%. Pag platinum ka, hanggang fourth generation, additional 5%. Pag diamond ka, 3% up to fifth generation. So, if you really want to maximize the bonus, the generational bonus or the matching bonuses and generational bonuses, ang i-goal mo dito para ma-enjoy mo, first things first, yung silver. And then, pag nag-diamond ka, no, you are enjoying already 23%. Okay? Yan, kasi ayan, buong henerasyon yan ayan. So, nagba-vary ang matching bonus. Again, depende sa rank mo. Ngayon, para mas maintindihan niyo po ito, ito ang example dito, pag nag-enroll ka ng 10, tapos sila may matrix income na 200. Yung 10 yon may $200. So, mamatch siya ni Live Good yung 50%. No? So, ilan ang 50% ng 200? $100 times 10. Kaya may $1,000 ka. Matching bonus pa lang yon. Ngayon, pag 20 at meron silang matrix income, direct mo po ito na $1,000, 50% of that is 500 times 20, kaya meron kang $10,000. Now, furthermore, ganito po yan, para mas makita nyo, ito nanggaling sa back office mismo. Very transparent si Live Good pagdating sa accounting. Ito na yung sinasabi natin, personally enrolled mo, yung direct. Ano sinasabi? 50% ng matrix pay ng direct mo, mamatcha ni Live Good, ito para sa'yo. So lahat ng nakikita nyo dyan sa column ng matching bonus, yan po ang para sa inyo. Okay? Yan. So ilan ang personally enrolled nito? Ilan ang direct niya? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pansinin po ninyo. 50% ni 264, 132. 50% ni 242, 121. 50%, 178, 89. Ayan po, para po sa inyo yan. Tinapatan ni Live Good at binigay sa'yo. Ngayon, meron siyang silver na nasa second generation niya. So, 338 ang income niya nung silver. So, anong sinasabi ulit sa generational bonus? 10%. 10% ng 338 is 33.83. Congratulations, para po sa inyo yon. Ilan ang silver niya? 3. Okay, so 10% ng mga matrix pay niya. Ayan, may platinum siya. First generation. Okay, 16.91, 5%. Gold, 16.91. So malamang itong taong to is already diamond, no? Kaya nai-enjoy niya 50%. Meron siyang silver, meron siyang gold, meron siyang platinum. So ganun po kaganda ang power ng matching bonuses. No? Yan, so retail commission, ito madali na lang po yan, no? Difference lang ng retail price and ang tawag to, and members price. And then meron kang retail commission, maghahati kayo ni Live Good. Okay, customer acquisition bonuses, hindi po tayo kumikita, hindi natin pinagkakakitaan ang downline natin pagdating sa purchase nila. Halimbawa, ako po yung downline ninyo, bumili po ako ng products, hindi nyo po ako pagkakakitaan, no? Kasi nga very lean yung profit, and then nga membership club po tayo. Pero Pag first time kong bumili, ako yung first time akong bumili, ito na yung customer acquisition bonuses. Pinibigay, very generous si Livegood na, o sige, dahil direct mo siya, yung first purchase niya, meron kang, 10% of that is paid out as customer acquisition bonuses. Okay? Yan. So, depende ulit sa rank po natin. And then, influencer bonuses, pag gusto mong i-promote yung mga products, then, pag may retail sales ka, 2,500, additional 10%, bukod dun sa 50%, that makes 60%. Pag meron kang $50,000, additional 50%, which that makes 100% po. Pagdating sa influencer bonuses. So, pag sinabing influencer bonuses, if you have your social media account, Facebook, TikTok, Snapchat, Instagram, yun po yun. No? Pag doon na-benta and then na-promote mo, then congratulations, entitled ka din sa influencer bonuses. And of course, the 7 and 8th na very exciting po. Sino dito among these 580 participants? Ilan dito ang gustong mag-diamond? No? Ayan, so as a diamond, syempre, merong share of the pie. You get to have a piece of the pie dahil pag diamond rank ka, meron kang makikihati ka doon sa 2%, no, of the total company sales every month, including all membership. So ganito yan, $15 million ang sale ni Livegood last August, sabi na natin, no? Then kunin mo yung 2% of that 2 million. Yung 2%, yung total ng 2% na yon, no? O the 2% of that 15 million, pag i-divide among all diamonds in Livegood. Yan, ganun po yon, no? So, yun ang perks pag diamond ka. I am a diamond, sabi ni Ma'am Eden. Congratulations kay Nenevi. Yan, congratulations sa mga gustong mag-diamond. Okay, so, etong diamond profit share, or I'm sorry, diamond bonus pool, no, this is still on top of your fast start commission, retail commission, matching bonuses, and other bonuses in the company. So add on po to. So ganito yung definition natin dyan. When you hit gold, that is the sweet spot. When you hit platinum, life-changing na yan. When you hit diamond, freedom na yan. Kasi talagang mai-enjoy mo na, of course. Especially pag nung sinabi ni Ben and Nodder that in the coming years, ang average ng isang diamond will be like $10,000. No? Grabe yan. On top of the other bonuses. So, we really have to go for diamond. Go for diamond! DMW! Yan, okay. And hindi dyan nagtatapos dahil meron tayong Crown Diamond Bonus Pool wherein we get to share the 0.5% of all the sales ever. Alam naman natin, ang ating Crown Diamond ay tatlo. Tatlo pa lang. We have Tim Miller, the first Crown Diamond in Livegood. And of course, we have our very own Coach Fernan Santiago, the first Crown Diamond in the Philippines and the second worldwide. And we have one from Kazakhstan. Okay, so sila ang maghahati doon sa 0.5% ng sale of all the sales every month. Okay, so just a random how to see and how you could hit this ranks. Ito lang po yon. Bronze, dalawa lang. Whether affiliate or member, bronze ka. Silver, you only need to have a team of 20. It's or team of 20, yung dalawang personal bronze mo, then personal enrolled mo na bronze, no? Ayan, I'm sorry. Yung personally enrolled mo na dalawa, dagdagan mo lang ng isa. No? Di tatlo na yon, no? Tatlong bronze. And then, total team of 20, then silver ka. Or, kung wala kang bronze, mag-enroll ka ng 10, direct sa'yo. Plus a total, and a total team of 20. So, yung 10 kasama na dun sa 20, counted na po yon. Ngayon, pag hindi naman, halimbawa, malupit ka talaga na mag-share, 20 na direct, silver ka na. Yon. So you have 3 options to be on to be at silver rank. Gold, dagdagan mo lang ng isa yung silver, dagdagan mo lang ng isa yung silver, gawin mo lang silver yung tatlong bronze mo plus a total team of 100, then you become a gold rank leader. Or meron kang 30 na personally enrolled and a total of 100. Kasama na yung 30 mo doon. No? Counted po yon. O kaya pag wala kang silver, wala kang 30 personally enrolled, for as long as meron kang 100, magkakaibang leg, yan. So, gold ka pa rin. And platinum, dagdagan mo lang ng, gawin mo lang gold yung tatlong silver mo plus a total team of 500, then platinum ka. Or kung nakapag-enroll ka ng 100 direct and a total team of 500, platinum ka. Or kung hindi naman, wala ka among those two, three options. Third option is that for as long as may 500 ka, magkakaibang leg, counted lahat, not exceeding 150, no? Per leg. Yan. And sa diamond, gawin mo lang platinum, yung tatlong gold mo, plus a total and at end, a total of 2,500. Siyempre, kasama, counted yung 3 platinums plus their team, no? So, ang division yan, pag tatlong platinum is that pwedeng 1,500. Ano ba, may runaway leg ka na isa, and then 500, 500, ito 1,500, a total of 2,500. Ganon. Okay, and crown diamond, ayan, so total team of 50,000 with no more than 10,000 counting from any enroller 3. Okay, so ito po, kung gusto nyong gamitin po ito, this is a one-page presentation just in case na meron kang ma-encounter at gusto mo lang kwentuhan, just master this. You could print this o kaya ipalaminate mo and then practicein mo siya para in every conversation, meron kang guide hanggang sa ma-memorize mo siya. Andito na po lahat. What is Live Good? Ano ang concept niya? Subscription-based. And then what is our mission? Ayan. And then at ano yung mga products natin? Ano yung concept natin? No? And then i-highlight mo that we don't have product packages, no monthly auto ship, no volume requirement, no quota. We are like the other membership in the marketplace. So try to compare Amazon, Netflix, ano yung mga perks nila and why are we called disruptive model. And then of course, Live Good, ayan, saan siya? Of course, very important that you have to establish nasaan ang headquarters natin. And if interested sila doing the business, then you could talk about the 7 ways to earn and then the ranks, paano mag-rank up, plus the benefits of a member. So, ito po yun, no? You could do this. Actually, pwede mong i-present yan in 15 minutes. Depende na lang how you're gonna say it. So, just a bit of everything, no? Ito na yung pinaka-highlights ng presentation po ninyo. Hanggang sa ma-memorize nyo by heart, hanggang sa maging natural na because you know your business, right? Yeah, so, ang roadmap lang natin dito sa Live Good is just so simple. GPS, get in, plug in, stay in. Do not overanalyze. Get in. Decide. Do not delay. No? So, hindi na kailangang i-overthink, i-overanalyze ang 9.95 membership. And then plug in. When you speak of plugging in, you talk about learning your back office. Pinaka-importante yan within 24 to 48 hours. And then plug in. Saan ka magpa-plug in? Sa mga Zoom trainings. Dito sa DMW. 2 sets every single day. Thursday and Friday, 3 sets. Meron pa tayong recognition, special training, and leader team training sa Monday. And then another Saturday, new affiliate program, new affiliates orientation program. Meron din tayo. And what else? Meron pang mga special trainings. And then, of course, sa corporate team, merong product focus si Lisa and Dr. Ryan. We have cut-off Zoom presentation na English with Ben and the other corporate team. And of course, Friday for the update para alam nyo po ang nangyayari. And of course, pag alam nyo nangyayari, you get excited because nakikita nyo na nagde-develop ang company at talagang thriving siya. Okay, so very important po ito. This one, you really have to practice it by heart. And when you are plugged in, staying in will not be difficult. Staying in will not be a struggle. Pag hindi ka naka-plug in, alam nyo po, issue sa'yo yung staying in. Issue sa'yo yung subscription. Bakit? Kasi hindi mo inaaral yung negosyo mo. Kasi hindi ka naka-plug in. Ganun lang po yun. Okay, so before I close this presentation, I would like to conclude that with this quotation: don't let your mindset dictate your actions. Let your actions influence your mindset. Start by taking action today. So ito po yung call to action natin. Start by taking action today. Again, there is not so much to overanalyze po, no? Live Good is not a convincing game. Hindi na po namin sasabihin at kukumbinsin kayo na, oh, the system of Live Good works. Bakit? Kasi ang dami na pong nagka-resulta. Andyan na po, yan, patunay na po ang ating Crown Diamond, ang mga diamond leaders natin. And of course, mga other platinums, gold, lahat po, meron na pong mga resulta yung mga yan. So, ibig sabihin, the system really works. What we are teaching you right now is how the system works, kung paano mo siya gagawin. Okay? So, yun po, no? Kaya there is nothing, wag na po kayong mag-overanalyze, mag-overthink kasi inaral na po yan ng mga may-ari. And, kumbaga, in place na po. Knowing Ben that he is a master of marketing plan and he wants to help people win, alam po natin na ang intention niya, and of course the vision is he wants a person, an average person, yes, it's for the masses, to earn a residual income of at least mga 300, 500. Like, it's not that bad. Pero, hindi lang yon. Ano sabi niya? Ang mga network marketers, ang mga leaders, they are earning more than that. 10,000, 20,000, 30,000. So, ito, dahil nga sa simple ng marketing plan, very doable, kaya madaling gawin kahit ng average person. Live Good, anybody is for Live Good, but not everybody is for Live Good. Ibig sabihin, walang qualification pag mag-join ka, pero hindi mo masasabi na you would stick. Depende na yan kasi kung paano mo iintindihin si Live Good. I don't know why people are bumibitaw at hindi nag-i-stick sa Live Good. Like, it is so hard for them for the 9.95. Well, probably because hindi po sila mission-oriented. If you are that person who want to make a difference, if you are a person who really want to have a mission and who want to resonate and align themselves sa vision at mission ng company, then congratulations dahil ikaw po ay for Live Good. And of course, pag ikaw ay talagang mahal mo ang sarili mo and you just want to, love yourself to health. No? Very priceless ang health natin. Alam niyo po, pag nagkasakit kayo, ipagpapalit mo lahat. No? Hindi niyo lang po siguro, merong mga tao na hindi nila ma-appreciate yung health products dahil wala pa silang nararamdaman. Pero alam niyo po, pag may naramdaman ka na at may sakit-sakit ka na at may symptoms ka na, and then doon ka mag-a-act, nakakatakot kasi baka it's too late na. So right here, right now, kahit na feeling mo healthy ka, kahit na alam mo na you have a healthy diet, please supplement yourself because supplementation is non-negotiable. No? Ayan. And of course, again, yung sinasabi ko po dito, no, that you have to take action. I am advocating you to be, this quotation, I am advocating you to be on momentum na agad, to be on the progress na kaagad, no? Yan. So, do not analyze, again, do not analyze po too much, no? So, ito po, ganito po yan. Once you take the steps, small steps forward, eventually yung mindset mo will also act. So it will naturally align with your actions. Yun po ang ibig actually sabihin ng saying na yan. Yan. So, pag naka-align yung actions mo, syempre, it will build you resilience and decision and confidence, no? Once na inaral mo ang Live Good, you will really appreciate and take note sa Live Good, 30% of the affiliates are earning. Ibig sabihin nun, are on profit. So doon sa total na population, yung 30% are on profit and 70% are winning. Why? Because they get to enjoy the products. So pagdating sa Live Good, win-win ka talaga. Ngayon, ang tanong, magkano ang gusto mong kitain sa Live Good? it's all up to you. Si Live Good, bibigyan ka ng blank check. Kung ano man yung amount na andyan, nakadepende na po sa inyo yon. No? So please, I hope you will act upon today sa mga bago po. Just start. Just begin. Hindi po mahirap ang Live Good. Don't make things complicated. Alam niyo po, ang pag-execute dito, napakasimple lang. And do not make things complicated. No, complexity is the greatest enemy of execution. So, napakasimple ng Live Good. Let us just keep things simple. Yan. So again, maraming salamat po. Ako po ang inyong presenter today, si Janet, and I hope I have created value. I hope marami po kayong natutunan and information. And of course, sa mga bago po, I would like to welcome you with Live Good. And sa mga andito, existing affiliates and leaders, see you at the top. This is Janet saying thank you. Okay. Yan.